You want to be financially free, but every time money comes into your account, it disappears like your ex-love. Everyone talks about money goals, but most people are financially goalless. A financial strategy is like the GPS of your money journey. Hey, come closer. If you are under 40 and you are not building wealth, you are losing out on your greatest advantage. And this greatest advantage is not your job, it is not your side hustle. Your greatest asset is time. I tell you, you don't want to miss out on this season of your life, because this is the time to compound, this is the time to leverage, and you can grow with the right investment asset portfolio to scale up in the next 10 to 20 years. So stay back. In the next few minutes, I will be sharing with you what you need to start doing and how to correct all the abnormalities that you have done in the past. My name is Mayowa Owolabi. You're welcome to this channel. I am Africa's most sought after financial freedom coach, and all I do is that I help people to escape the paycheck to paycheck life by building a simple, strategic, structured system that you can use to be financially free. So I know that you need this. So stay tuned, because you don't want to miss this training for any reason. If this is your first time coming to this YouTube channel, make sure you click on the subscriber button and also on the notification bell, because you don't want to miss out on this amazing life nugget, life plan, life asset that I'll be dishing out on this YouTube channel. Click on that subscriber button and do us a favor to always share. Somebody needs this, and don't let it get to the extreme where there is no time or action to take again. Subscribe now and share on your status. You see, wealth does not have anything to do with how much you earn. It has all you to do with how much money you have and the time that the money has to grow. A lot of time people will say, I will do it tomorrow, I will start tomorrow. But guess what? You are already losing out time. I got this very early at 35, and I vow to fix it. The result you see me achieve today, it is because I became deliberate when I understood financial freedom and I understood time. Let me give you a simple example. You see, a lady called Sarah started investing 50,000 naira monthly at 25, and she stops at 35. The same scenario, another person called Jide start investing the same 50,000 naira monthly at 35, and he kept on till he was 65. Now, who should have more money? You would naturally think, because of consistency of Jide between 35 to 65, he should have more money than Sarah, who did it for 25, between 25 and 35. Now, the truth is, Sarah will have more money leveraging on time and compound interest than Jide, who did 35 to 65. The power of compounding cannot be overemphasized. However, you must leverage on the component called time. You know, I was doing a back search, and I discovered that even the people that we call wealthy people today, the people that we use the term success for today, they started very, very early. When you check, a man called Bishop David Oyedepo, he bought Canaan land when he was in his early 40s. And I think between 38 and 42, that's when he bought Canaan land. Now, the same Canaan land that was bought with less than 500 acres now has 10,000 acres in Songo Altar. Right now, then a plot of land in that area was sold 500,000 naira, 600,000 naira. But guess what, as at today? A plot in that area is sold for 5 million, 7 million. Why? Between the space of 40 and 70, money has grown so much, and the value of the vehicle he has selected has made his money to grow. So I'm here to let you know that it is not just about putting money aside. It is not just about investing. is to begin to start it now, because life cannot be reversed. As we live and continue to grow, you must leverage on starting quick and stop postponing. Some of you have been following me for a while. You have learned a lot from me. But guess what? You keep saying there's no enough money. Now, let me help you at this point. There can never be enough money. My parents kept on saying there's no enough money. My mom will keep saying there's no enough money. My grandparents said there was no enough money. Till date, there's still not enough money. But can I help you quickly? Now, this enough money is because they don't understand the time value of money. And they do not understand the power of consistency, which is compounding. I beseech you today, I want you to take a pledge and vow that today, as you are 38, 25, 45, 50, 28, you want to put aside X amount of money consistently for a long period of time, because time is of the essence. So now, Mr. Mayowa, you're saying that time is critical, consistency is critical. What can I be putting my money right now that can help me? Now, let me be sincere with you. I don't want to teach you what I don't know. I want to teach you what I have seen, what I have handled, and what I have leveraged on. And this is not new, but a lot of time we just don't do it. Like I do tell a lot of my protege, there are 4 levels of people when it comes to action taking. There are some people who don't know at all. So there are some people, the second level of people, they know, but they are not doing. The third level of people, they know, they are doing, but they are not consistent. But the fourth level of people, they know, they are doing, and they are consistent. And that is what I have vowed to do. Immediately I saw myself at 35. You don't have all the time right now. You want to leverage quickly on the component called time. What are the systems I recommend that you play through? Number 1 is called land banking. Land banking is because it's one of the oldest way of multiplying money that will not disturb you. I know in this part of the world you complain of omonile, you complain of you buy from an estate, they don't deliver. But these are components that are against your success. You see, listen to me. It is a battlefield. Success, gaining victory, becoming financially free. It's a battlefield. Even the Holy Book says that. He said, the kingdom of God suffereth violence, and the violent taketh it by force. So it means that it is by violence. You see, when I studied the history of land banking, I discovered that it has always been nations fighting against nation. Jebusite fighting against Amorite. Amorite fighting against Israel. So it has always been about blood, about fighting. So don't be tired. Don't say that because some people are losing money, you will not invest. You just have to invest, do your due diligence, and fight for what is yours. You see, when I saw that, I vowed to face it once and for all. And I've told you, I will keep investing in land. See, what made Abraham great was not just because he had God's blessing, but because he had a lot of land, real estate for himself. So if you say that you are Abraham's seed and you don't have land, me, I'm not there. The second one is stock investment. Start buying stocks. Some of you want to trade. You don't need to trade. Just look for assets that you know that in the next 3 years, in the next 5 years, they are going to be dominating. Start investing $10, $20 every month. You can use that to grow your money. You see, for example, if you have been investing $10 in Apple stocks for the past 5 to 7 years, that same $10 right now will not be, because in a year, that is $120. In 5 years, that is $600. That's your $600 in 5 years. Will not be $600 right now. It would have grown to an average of $60,000 to $120,000 in the space of 5 years. So I want you to understand that this has a lot to do with time. This has a lot to do with compound interest, and that is where you should play. Now, I have a lot of trainings where I mention the vehicles that I use to multiply your money, but right now I just want to brief you. Land banking is there, stocks and digital asset, which is cryptocurrency stocks. Pick an asset, don't trade up and down. Trade based on long term. Trade based on the people, the owners of the company. Then leverage on it and you're good to go. The next one is agriculture, not the short guy, not the short one, or no, not crops. Crop is more or less short term, leverage on long term. Timber, cashew. I told you guys, currently we have over 50 acres of cashew in Ogbomoso, your state. All of this is available. By the way, as I'm teaching you, if you are interested in this kind of vehicle, comment, I am interested. And my team and I will send you a link to get you started. Every single month, you can put aside 50,000 naira, 100,000 naira, 500,000 naira, $100, $1,000 every month. Our team can work with you. You buy the asset, we grow together, we meet every month. My Owolabi trains you the more to more opportunities that you can leverage on, and the rest is history. I want you to know that a lot of these wealthy people you see today, at 30, they were not billionaires. At 40, some of them were not billionaires. As a matter of fact, the average billionaire became billionaire at 62. More than 93 to 95% billionaires became billionaires at 62. So you still have all the time. As a matter of fact, stop right now and go and comment in the comment section. I am not late. I am not late. I want to see all of you. Comment below, I am not late. So once you identify this, then you put in structure, then the rest of it is send the money to work. Mr. Mayowa, what next? What is next is investing your time to learn more. Discuss skill stacking. For example, I started with website design in 2002, but today I have grown, diversified. From website design, I entered into digital marketing. From digital marketing, I entered into forex trading. As I make more money from the financial market, I diversified my portfolio into real estate and agriculture. And that is where I am today. So this is the real life journey of a financial freedom personnel. You must understand that the essence of money is that money is a tool and it should be leveraged upon. So learn a skill that can enhance where you are right now to be able to make more money and get better. And as you do this below 40, even above 40 a bit, you have all it takes. And as you make money, structure, start executing. Because you don't want to have what is called knowledge constipation. You want to have the knowledge and execute the knowledge. If you are under 40, this is your time. Stop eating your seed and enjoying it with your bread. This is the time to plant it, allow it to grow and multiply it. To help you further, I'll put in my description a link to my financial diagnostic test that will help you to know your status, your financial status right now. Click on that link and run that test on yourself. Know your status and know what to start fixing. Once you do that, I guarantee you, you will be able to know what to stop doing and what to start doing. So guys, thank you so much. I'm sure you've gained value. I want you to go to the comment section right now and comment how much you want to be worth in the next 5 years and what will be the move you want to follow. Just type it there. In the next 5 years, I want to be worth 500 million. And this is the move that I want to follow to get there. I want to appreciate you for staying through this video. My name remains Mayowa Owolabi. Don't forget to subscribe on this channel. Click on the notification bell and I will see you in the next video. Peace out, guys.